Esto es lo que bebe Hugo, así que debe ser bueno. Guarapita versión California. Wow, we have water running on the river. It's good. This one works great. You see all the sediments there, but now the water is flowing out of the trail. Keep walking. So that's where the water is coming from. Not much we can do, but it's going in that direction. But this is the trail that I like, so all good. That one is somehow working, but you have the water crossing on top of this one. The water should cross somewhere here to this side next time. No big deal, but I'm gonna fill them up. Okay, looks good. Borrow dirt from that corner all the way down. Drainage clean, so water doesn't go this way. You know the drill. Someone is working ahead. Okay, it's looking good. Making some progress. I'm about here and almost at the wall. So basically I borrow dirt from the closest wall to the crack, and you can only do this when it's kind of wet. When it's dry, it's not as simple. Looking good, smooth. Okay, so water is coming from there. There is not much that we can do. It's gonna flow down, and it's not having any issues at all yet. So this is the landing. I'm gonna take care of this one for sure. Okay, the landing is smooth again. I'll keep walking down to the narrows and see the mess there. Okay, so this area is still wet. This is a little messy section, but if you go around, no big deal. So the water to the narrows is coming from this meadow that is flooded, and there is a fucking river going down. So it's gonna be a mess. So we have a waterfall, and there is no point of working on this until this water is no longer running. Okay, to fix this, we need to wait until water is not flowing, and we need a crew. This is not something that one guy can do, for sure. So basically, you need to choose one side or the other. I normally go with the dry side. So when mixed with water, get some kind of cement to fix the hole. But every time that we do this, it's not narrow anymore. But this is a huge step. So let's keep it that way and just fill the holes. Let's see what happens. Okay, this one will remain at least a week until the meadow down there dries and we can work on it. Now it's a waste of time going down. So from this problem, the only thing that I can do is create a channel right there, get the dirt from here to here and block the water to keep going that way and move it in that direction. Okay, so now water can flow out of the trail into that hole and not going that way. Okay, hopefully water will go that way. Not to the trail, not to the trail. Yep.
You have more. redondos.
Gente de San Clemente, aprendan a hacer montadas de bicicleta.
Dejen de valer verga.
Dejen de joder, váyanse a la verga. Tacos, parrillera, cerveza, dulces, coño, así cualquiera.
Went down the drain.
Tiene el chef de los redondos. Están muy buenos los tacos y la cerveza, gracias. Gelatina mexicana. Verga, está buena. Second beer.
Hey, let me get one, my boy. Let me get that red velvet though.